Hello, in this session, we'll see the topic lines of regression, its concept and the formula. So, the line of regression is actually a line fitted to a set of data to estimate the relationship between the two variables. So, it is a line fitted to a set of data. We'll be provided with a set of data and through which we'll estimate that there is certain relation between the two variables and will form a straight line or a regression line. Now, also this regression equation which we'll get, the regression equation of the regression line, which is also called least square line, is actually used and is determined by the least square method. So it is determined by the least square method. Now let us talk about the types of line we are going to get, and that is the regression equation of y on x, and this basically describes the changes in the value of y for given changes in the value of x. Also, the second one is the regression equation of x on y, and this describes the change in the value of x for the given changes in the value of y. So basically the first one is about that the y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable, whereas the second equation is x being the dependent and y being the independent variable. Now we'll see the types of equation with its formula. So it is regression line of y on x. This is basically given as y equal to a plus b times of x, and we can see that this is a linear relation between y and x. Now here we can say that b will be given by the expression summation of xy minus summation of x times of summation of y over n divided by summation of x square minus summation x square by n, which can also be written as n times of summation of xy minus product of summation x and y divided by n times of summation of x square minus square of the summation of x. So this is how we can give the value of b, and this is also represented as b equal to Sxy by Sxx, where Sxy and Sxs have their usual meaning, which we have already represented here. Also, the value of a the value of a can be given by the expression y mean minus b times of x mean, and y is the value which we have already found here. So these are the two formulas which will be required to get the value of the regression line of y on x. Similarly, coming to the second one, that is regression line of x on y, line x on y, this may be given as x equal to a plus by. This a and b not to be confused with the a and b of the regression line x on y, and this b will be given by the expression summation of xy minus product of summation of x and y by n divided by summation of y square minus summation of y whole square divided by n, which can be written as n times of summation of xy minus product of summation of x and y divided by n times of summation of y square minus square of minus summation y whole square. So this is nothing but Sxy by Syy. The a will be given with the same formula, that is a equal to x mean minus b times of y mean. So we can say that x has been replaced by y in this case. So this is how we get the regression line of x on y and the regression line of y on x. Apart from this, some of the time we may come across the form of equation which is given in the form of, let's say, regression line of y on x, which may be written as y minus y mean equal to b times of x minus x mean, where b has its usual formula of finding the value, which we have already seen as Sxy over Sxx. Similarly, we may have the second form of equation for x on y. So the regression line of x on y may be given as x minus x mean equal to b times of y minus y mean, where b will have its usual meaning, and that is b is Sxy over Syy. So this is also one form of writing the regression line of y on x or x on y, and here we don't have to find the value of a. So in the previous case we had a and b both of it, but in this form of equation we'll have only a, since we are writing it as in the form of y minus y mean equal to b times of x minus x mean or otherwise. So this is about the regression line, the concept and its formula. Thank you.